Hello students and welcome back to Diksha's Learning World. I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. The motive of making this video is to teach you all some interesting activities through which you can make your father feel special. So first of all, on behalf of all the SEMSTAR family, I wish all the super dads a very happy Father's Day. Anyone can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a dad. The quote puts a spotlight on all the fathers who struggle hard to raise and support their children. Father's Day is celebrated to recognize the unique role of fathers or father figures in our lives. From supporting their children financially, mentally, emotionally, and physically, the vital role of fathers in everyone's life is priceless. This day is celebrated to acknowledge and appreciate the role of fathers who play a very important role in our families and in society at large. Children look forward to this day and make their dads feel special with their gestures. So here in this video, I'll be sharing 10 interesting activities through which you can make your father feel special. So the first one is Best Daddy Trophy. It's time to show dad or grandpa or any uncle that they are tops. These trophies can be embellished with anything you have got lying around, from pom-poms to popsicle sticks to beads to pipe cleaners. Second one is Paper Roll Craft. It's easy to round any kitchen paper rolls, decorate them with craft, paint and googly eyes and embellish with paper to make this look just like your dad. Third one, there's no better pop than you. So for this adorable card, it is very easy to make. You just need some small canvas, paint and some yellow pom-poms. Fourth one, Keychain Love. With this craft, dad will be able to have a sweet little reminder every time he grabs his keys. For this craft, each student will need a few paint chips, washi tape and a key ring. To make this even more special, choose dad's favorite colors or maybe even his favorite sports team's colors. Fifth one, Love You to Pieces frame. So for this, you can take any picture of you with your dad. Then what you can do is, you can paint some popsicle sticks, let them dry, add puzzle pieces to the frame and then this super cute and easy to do pieces out frame is ready. Then sixth one is Crafty Cubes. This crafty cube doubles as a paperweight for dad's office. It is also the perfect opportunity to work in a geometry lesson about cubes. So each student needs a wooden cube, Mod Podge and 6 decorations, one for each side of the cube. Students can customize the 6 sides with messages. Alternatively, students can use photos to make a photo cube. Next one is Dad, Photo and Poem. So with a little bit of planning, that is holding a photo session with your dad, what you all can do is, you can create a very interesting dad photo and poem. Not only will dad get a snapshot of his child at his age, but he'll also get to read the little narrative written by you all. Next one is Rustic Photo Frame. For this what you need is, you need some of the twigs. Twigs is the branches of the tree. And what you can do is, you can collect them and you can just paste them in a cardboard sheet and you can just put your picture with your dad. Next one is Dad Card. So cards are a classic Father's Day gift. You all know this. But this one adds a little spunk to the standby. What you all can do is, you all can take some of the cards. You can use your scissoring skills by cutting along these curves. Then you can decorate the card with paints, stickers and other designs that represent your dad. Next one is Father's Day goodie bags. So a goodie bag that also looks like dad's favorite shirt. All you need is paper bags, craft paper and tape. You can either send the bags home as it is looking like just a favorite shirt of your dad. Okay. And just one tip, be sure to grab a few sheets of camo patterned craft papers for any dads who are in military. So these were some of the interesting ways through which you can just make your dad feel special. Select any of the activities which you feel like choosing amongst these 10 activities and share the image with us in your WhatsApp group. The group will be open from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. I hope these activities will make your father feel special and the bond of love between you and your father will grow. So what are you waiting for? Get back to work and share some interesting images on the WhatsApp group. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.